Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at 5 common mistakes which I have shortlisted majority of the students make when they're preparing for the PT test. You have to avoid these 5 mistakes at any cost if you want to get your desired scores. I'll try to keep the video short and to the point so that you can get maximum value in the minimum time possible. Very first mistake, I have seen thousands of students making this mistake, is not understanding the exam marking criteria. Majority of the students are not really sure what all tasks are important in order to get a higher score in PT. You have got 20 different question types. Out of those 20 question types, only 7 to 8 question types are important. Remaining 10 to 12 are not important at all. It's very important you understand how the marking system and the criteria works if you want to get the desired scores. For example, in speaking, you have to focus more on read aloud and repeat sentence. In writing, you don't have to worry much about summarized written text. You have to just follow the template in essay. In reading, you have to just focus on reading blanks, reading writing blanks, and a bit on reorder paragraphs. You do not have to focus at all on MCQ single and MCQ multiple answers. In listening, you have got 8 question types. Out of those, 4 are important, 4 are not important at all. You have to focus on listening, summarize spoken text, listening, fill in the blanks, write from dictation, and highlight incorrect words. You don't really need to worry about MCQ single, multiple, highlight correct summaries, and select missing words. So you have to understand that you focus on tasks which will give you more output even if you do not put a lot of effort. You are going to waste a lot of time if you focus on tasks which are not going to give you a lot of points. Do not focus on MCQ single and multiple and listening and reading. Do not focus on highlight correct summary and select missing word. Do not worry about answer short questions. Practice a bit of describe, image, and retell lecture, but your main focus should be on read aloud, repeat sentence, essay template, reading blanks, reading writing blanks, listening, summarize spoken text, write from dictation, listening, fill in the blanks, and highlight incorrect words. If you focus on important areas, important tasks, 120% you are going to get your scores. Mistake number 2, in speaking, a lot of students confuse fluency with speed. Remember this thing, fluency is not how fast you speak. Fluency is speaking in a flow while taking natural pauses. If you just go on too fast but you're not taking any kind of natural pauses, whenever there is a comma, there is a full stop, there is any kind of connector, that is not going to give you a higher score in fluency. To get higher score in fluency, you have to make sure you speak at a natural pace, take natural pauses, keep yourself comfortable so that you can speak in a flow, and at the same time you can speak clearly as well. I'll give you an example. Don't do it this way. Once you have picked a general topic for your paper, you need to come up with the thesis. Your thesis is the main. Don't do it this way. Once you have picked up a general topic for your paper, you need to come up with the thesis. Your thesis is the main and focal point of your paper, and it is the position you will take on your particular topic. So take a slight pause whenever there's end of a sentence or a comma or something like that, so that you can speak clearly, confidently, and in a flow. Mistake number 3, not using the templates properly or relying too much on templates. Remember this thing, templates are gold. They are going to help you crack PT test. I've got 90-10 times, and every time I've used templates. But if you just follow the template without understanding the template, that is something which is going to impact your scores. Template by itself is not going to get you the scores. You have to make the template work for yourself. So before using any kind of template, you need to understand what the template is, how you have to implement the template, and what all strategies you need to use while you are implementing the template. For example, essay template. In order to make sure that the essay template works for you, you have to make sure that you include all the keywords from the essay topic in your answer. If you just write the essay template and do not write any keyword from the essay topic or related to the essay topic, you are not going to get your scores. So very, very important, you need to learn. You can 120% use essay templates, but you need to learn how you have to use essay templates properly. Same thing in describe, image, or retell lecture. Let's say in retell lecture, you're just speaking the template, you're not speaking any keywords from the lecture. Or in summarize spoken text, you're just typing the template, but you're not writing any keywords or important phrases from the lecture in your answer, you are unfortunately not going to get the scores. So use the template, but before using or implementing, learn how you have to implement the keywords and use the template properly in order to get full scores. Mistake number 4. Mistake number 4 is confusing pronunciation with your accent. Your pronunciation is not your accent. You have to speak naturally. Don't change your accent. If you'll change your accent, you won't sound clear, and changing accent will not guarantee you a higher score, but speaking clearly will guarantee you a higher score. So in order to boost your pronunciation, first of all, do not go too fast. Make sure you speak each and every word, stress a bit on difficult words, and speak naturally. Do not change your accent. That is not going to help you, but speaking clearly in a calm manner and stressing on important words which you're not able to pronounce clearly will help you improve your clarity and will help you to boost your pronunciation score as well. And the last common mistake which I've seen a lot of students make and then struggle, not really sure why they are struggling, is in the task repeat sentence, you guys focus a lot on content. Yes, content is important. Content is important, but content is not the most important thing. I have got 10 times in listening and speaking, and every time I go for the test, I am not able to repeat all the sentences 100% correctly. I have always advised this in all my videos that what you need to do, you need to understand the sentence and then as much as you can repeat, speak clearly and confidently. Even if you repeat 70 to 80% of the content, you can get 90. So in repeat sentence, don't just focus on content. Even if you repeat 70% content in a fluent manner and clearly, you will get your scores. For example, if the sentence is, I am going to London with my friends in a bus tomorrow, but you only remember I am going to London with my friends, right? Now what you'll do is, what majority of the students do is, I am going to London friends tomorrow. Now what you did is, you messed up your fluency, you were not clear, and you did not even repeat 100% of the content. But what would have been a better way of doing it? I am going to London with my friends and I'm very happy. Now I repeated around 60-70% of the content, but I spoke clearly, I spoke fluently. I'll get full points in fluency and pronunciation, and at the same time I'll get few points, I lose a few points, probably 0.5 points in content, but at least I'm getting 12 out of 13, which is better than getting 8 or 9 out of 13. Even if you repeat 70% content, but clearly and confidently, you can get your scores. So these are 5 mistakes you should be avoiding if you want to get a higher score. Very first mistake, not understanding the marking criteria. You need to understand what all tasks are important and allocate your time accordingly. Do not confuse speed with your fluency. Do not confuse your accent with your pronunciation. Use the templates properly. Do not rely blindly on the templates. Learn how you have to use the templates. And the last one is focusing too much on content in repeat sentences. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, 120% your scores are going to go up and you are going to get your desired scores. If you have any doubts, if you need any help, do let me know in the comment section. If the video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. To practice, to take a free score mock test, you can go on languageacademy.com.au or download LAPT exam practice app. Finally, if you need any help, we have got our branches in Australia, in India and in Nepal as well. We do provide online classes all over the world, and thousands of students have got their desired scores with the help of our training. If you need any help, you can contact us on the numbers below or visit our website. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe, and remember to subscribe to the channel.